In July this year, while the Committee of Parliament on Commissions, Statutory Authorities and State Enterprises, COSASE, was inquiring into the audit queries raised by the Auditor General in the financial 2021-22 report, is when the former Managing Director of Uganda National Bureau of Standards, Dr. Livingstone Ebiru, divulged that he had offered 100 million shillings bribe to the council members in order to retain his job.
Are you confirming to this committee that you bribed board members with 100 million shillings?
I was asked by the chair, and I must do the needful to cool down what is going on.
And you gave them 100 million shillings?
Yes, sir.
However, he retracted the statement a few days later. The Inspectorate of Government immediately picked up the matter before the dust could settle, dragging Ebiru to the courts of law, where he was charged with bribery.
And you know, COSASE brought it to our attention. We picked interest at our own initiative when we heard over the press and said, hey, if someone has admitted to taking a bribe, this institution has the mandate to handle such cases. And we were confident we would have sufficient evidence.
Surprisingly, before the hearing into the case could commence, the Inspectorate of Government has taken the decision to withdraw the charges against Ebiru.
I personally stated that we intend to discontinue the proceedings because we assessed, we reviewed, and we discovered that we are not going anywhere with it.
The Inspectorate indicates that they failed to obtain any substantial evidence to prosecute the case successfully, as Dr. Patricia Achan indicates that they are required in law to prove solicitation, offering of the bribe, and receiving.
The offering of the bribe is what we failed to see, but we just heard about it. The offense of soliciting for a bribe was nowhere to be heard of, because if there was a recording somewhere where the board chair had asked him to give him the money and so on, then even proving the actual bribe as an exhibit became a problem.
With the withdrawal of the bribery charges against Ebiru, he could have had the chance of bouncing back as the managing director. However, there are about 4 cases that are before investigations by the Inspectorate of Government pertaining to financial loss, mismanagement, and false procurement. Jackson Onyango, reporting for NTV.